friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So friends, this is my second part of Buhais Geology Park. So now I am inside of theatre. This theatre at the park provides fascinating insights into the past using storytelling techniques to show how fossil formation occur along with that of the mountains of Sharjah. Buhais Geology Park explained Sharjah was beneath the sea. When you visit this place, you can explore Sharjah's mountains and sand dunes and learn about the origins of the limestones mountain ranges of Buhais. And more visitors will also have the opportunity to examine local rocks and fossils. So, this is a nice place for kids to understand about geology, earth crust, and various stones. One can spend an hour or two depending on interest. देखिए यहाँ पे लिखा है टच अ फॉसिल टू सी अ ड्राइंग, तो हम अब इसको टच करेंगे। आई कैन सी दिस। अब हम इसको टच करेंगे एंड दिस और दिस। These are animal fossils from the Cretaceous period, which is 93 million of years ago. Amazing place that takes you through a journey of history on how this land been created. Well, you can see this museum has an amazing architecture and the story behind is great. The museum is so interesting from inside as well. So friends, in next video we will be exploring the archaeological site at Buhais Geology Park. On the outdoor trail you will find iron and bronze age tombs. So see you in next video, part 3 of Buhais Geology Park.